Guys, and welcome back to another Roblox video. I am your host Rufus, and this is my best friend Russell.
Yes,
Yep, he is back.
I am back. I could not be in the last video. I was too busy. Sorry.
Yeah, but let's not worry about that. This is the second part of Airplane 2, because if I did it in full, then we would have a lot of problems.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go to the
Computer room, here we come.
Let's go reverse.
Skirt.
So, what's going to happen here then?
Don't know. Also, guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.
Yes, please do that, guys. It does give us loads of support.
Yes, especially since we are not that well known, because I mean, yeah.
Yeah. So, Rufus, I'll do this side and you do the other side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, let's get them all to green then.
Yeah. I'm done.
Where's green? There we go, finally. Alright. Apparently we're hackers now, so...
Yeah.
Don't know how that happened, but nice.
Oh,
Alright,
there's Mr. President.
How are you today, then?
Grumpy as always.
Yeah, looking at grumpy.
I mean, he looks angry, so I mean... Yeah, that agent just vanished out of nowhere.
Where the hell? Where is he gone? Creepy man.
That agent is kind of sus.
A bit sus, yeah, but suspicious.
The bedroom.
Bedroom. What must ever be in the bedroom?
Listen, that's the pilot cockpit.
Pilot room.
Same
I'm gonna
thing.
look out the window and see how massive this plane is.
Boom, I got the keys.
Wow, that is a big plane. Rufus, show them the plane. That is a massive plane.
Okie dokie. Yes, this plane is literally a box. Oh, I see the pilot.
Hello, what was it? Kelly or Kelly
Keely.
or whatever. Keely, something.
Or whatever.
Another note.
For some reason I can't pick him up.
I can still see the president.
Yes. Also, guys, at some point we are going to be doing a part 2 of car crushes, so yes, stay tuned. Definitely.
Yeah. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Yes, sir.
Right.
And it's gone blank.
So the president is going to disappear, I think. And that's what, yeah, he did disappear. That's what happened to the news agent. The agent, so I thought that would probably happen to him as well.
Ah, looks like the president's gone to Narnia.
I'm tired, Rufus. Are you tired?
Yep, I'm tired. I think they've all gone to Narnia, to be fair. This plane is just a lot bigger than the one in the first one. I can tell you that.
Yeah. Why is the guy's thing?
Oh no.
What is going on? No, it's that creepy monster again.
Yeah, you know, the one out of the first one.
Oh, what's up, Bob? Hi.
What's up, Bob Ross?
Why can't we walk out this door, please?
Stand by the door, whatever you do. Now.
Run.
Oh god, the wall's on fire.
Oh my god, it actually is. Jesus. Oh my god.
Go.
Oh, why
Go.
is it
Go.
moving so fast? Why is it moving so fast? Why is it moving so fast? Why is
I
it
don't know.
moving so
Just
fast?
keep running and do not stop. Whatever you do.
Oh, I'm scared, guys. I'm scared.
Stay
I don't know
strong,
what's gonna
everyone.
happen.
Stay strong. We're going to make this out alive together.
What's gonna happen?
We've started this, guys, and now we're going to finish it. Oh, another note. Can't grab it.
Stand on the thingy, Rufus.
Yeah.
We never know what's gonna happen.
Yeah. On this one.
Stove.
It's a bit shaky.
It is a bit shaky, yeah.
Yeah, try not to fall off, Russell, because otherwise you might die.
What line?
I don't know.
Okay.
Russell, quick. No!
My God.
Well, guys, I think I'm going to have to carry on this, and I'll just tell Russell what's going on. If that's okay with you. Is that okay with you, Russell?
That's fine with me, Rufus.
Well, it looks like I'm on my own. Great.
Again. I was stood there. I did nothing. I did absolutely nothing.
Phone's ringing.
And then, oh, who is that? And then it just, yeah.
Right.
Oh.
It's Keely.
I'm gonna miss it all now.
Oh well. You'll be able to see the finished product.
Yeah. I am on keyboard and mouse, guys, because I'm on my laptop.
And I'm
but
on.
I didn't press any buttons, so I don't know why that happened.
Yeah, and I'm on mobile, but you can probably guess because I mean there's buttons and a movie thingy.
Yeah.
But I mean, my laptop is just horrific, so because I mean it can't even run Roblox, so yeah. Great.
What's going on, Rufus, then?
The monster's about to chase me.
Oh, that's not very welcoming, is it?
I don't. Oh, jeez, it's right behind me.
Oh God.
It's literally chasing after me. Run. Where'd it go? Oh, it's gone. Oh no, it's behind me.
Oh goodness.
I'm running. Oh jeez, it just appeared out of nowhere. I swear I just heard an oof.
Yeah, I may have died.
Yeah. He's still coming after me. Where'd he go? I don't... Oh, wait, no, he's still there. Alright, I'm just gonna run to the cockpit. Monster's gone. It's gone blank. Okay, Russell, so I am with the pilot.
Okay.
The front
What's
of the
gonna
plane
happen
is...
now, then?
I don't know. The front of the plane is so messed up.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't want to criticize Pon King's work, but I mean, he could do a bit better on the outside, but it doesn't really matter because I mean, it's more of the inside that counts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still don't know how we saved an airplane last time. Doesn't make any sense.
How we what, sorry?
Saved an airplane.
What's going on now then, Rufus?
Captain's just talking about when the monster used to be a human.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he likes planes in some scary kind of way.
Mhm.
And he said he liked to... Well, she liked... Never mind. He actually tried to crash a plane himself, you know.
Oh my.
Yeah. And that
guys,
monster is a spirit, and it like chases people like us. Oh wait. Also, guys, if you probably didn't notice when you played this game, I just zoomed out the front of the cockpit, and there's literally a tiny plane up above.
Is there?
Yeah, Russell, if you see the finished product, then you'll see it. Oh, there's a gun. Okay, so carry on.
Alright, so, guys, I know that I'm not, with Rufus at the moment, because I died because of stupid fire, but I hope that you are enjoying the video. Make sure, again, that you do like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more amazing content just like this video.
Yes. Thank you, Russell.
No problem, Rufus.
Nice.
I'm just in the lobby here, and there's people chasing each other around.
Okay, well that's a bit random.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm in the presidential suite with the president and the agent.
Okay.
And I have got a gun.
Oh my.
Who do you think I should shoot?
Go for the agent.
Yeah.
I'd say.
I mean, the agent was kind of sus.
He is a bit. He's a bit suspicious. He's a suspicious person.
Yeah. Well, it looks like I'm shooting the agent.
Okay, let's see what happens. Or hear what happens for me.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What happened?
It was the agent. He's the monster.
Oh god.
Oh wait, this adds up now. Because, like, the pilot said that he can take shape of any form.
Oh.
Maybe he took shape of one of the agents. I mean, I don't know how many there were. But maybe he took shape of one of them to try and trick us.
Well, there's one here in the little lobby bit, and there was one on the plane. No, there was two on the plane. Sorry.
Yeah.
So it's either one of them, then.
Maybe the one in the lobby was trying to entice us onto the plane.
Oh yeah. To then try and get us killed, which isn't very nice.
It blinked.
Oh no!
I think
Shoot it again.
I can't. I got the good ending though.
Oh. Oh, sorry.
Excuse you. Okay, guys. Me and Russell are officially reunited.
We are I can't speak English.
Yay!
reunited. Hi
Okay,
guys.
let's go somewhere else, away from all these people. Let's
I'm going
let's
to the
stand.
restroom.
Same.
You can't go in the restroom. I need a wee though.
Yeah.
That's not very nice.
Well,
is it?
okay, guys. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. I will see you hopefully for the second part of Car Crushers 2.
Woohoo!
So yeah, all I can say now is bye-bye.
Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye bye.
Yes, bye-bye.